In the lush, vibrant forest of Greenleaf, there lived two very different creatures, Tilly the tiger and Benny the bunny. Tilly, a big and powerful tiger, was known for her strength and fierce independence. She liked to do everything herself and never asked for help, believing that only the strong survive. Benny, on the other hand, was small and fast, with big ears that helped him hear the smallest sounds. He was kind-hearted and always looked out for others, offering help to anyone in need. One bright sunny day, the forest was buzzing with excitement because the Great Greenleaf Race was about to begin. It was an annual event where animals competed in a race through the forest, and the winner would earn the title of Champion of Greenleaf for the year. Tilly, with her powerful muscles, was the favorite to win, while Benny, being so small, didn't even seem to stand a chance. But Benny had a secret. He was an excellent strategist and knew the forest like the back of his paw. As the race began, Tilly shot off like a rocket, quickly leaving everyone behind. Benny started off slower, choosing his path wisely, hopping around rocks and trees. But soon, Tilly hit a problem. She reached a massive river, and although she could swim, the current was too strong, and it swept her downstream. She struggled to reach the shore but couldn't get a grip. Just as she was about to give up, Benny appeared. He had heard her cries for help from across the forest. "Hold on, Tilly," Benny called, and using his quick thinking, he found a vine to help pull her to safety. Grateful but slightly embarrassed, Tilly admitted, "I thought I could do everything on my own, but I was wrong." "Thank you, Benny." "No problem," Benny said, with a smile. Sometimes, it's not about being the strongest or fastest. It's about working together. Together, they made it through the rest of the race, with Benny guiding Tilly through tricky paths and using his quick reflexes to dodge obstacles. When they finally crossed the finish line, they tied for first place. The other animals cheered, impressed by how they had worked as a team despite their differences. The forest animals gathered around, and the wise old owl, who had been watching, spoke up. Today, Tilly and Benny showed us the true meaning of teamwork. Strength may help you go fast, but trust and cooperation will always bring you further. From that day on, Tilly and Benny became the best of friends, always helping each other out, proving that no matter how different you are, working together can lead to success. Moral: teamwork and trust bring success. The end.
Subscribe to my channel.